thought I'd post a quick video of this 2017 Viking 2308 STLS tent trailer. Just recently reduced down to $7,500. So if you're looking to get off the ground and get off the floor out of a tent, this would be a good option for you. Just show you a little picture inside here. We got queen sleeping at the front. Your dinette for eating. Sink, and stove. That's a stove under there. Just open that up so you can see. A 2-burner stove for you. A U-shaped dinette for extra seating. And another bed at the back. This little trailer. As I say, it gets you off the ground, keeps you dry. Thanks for watching.